Hey Supercoders! In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing Scratch hacks. Hack number 1, scrolling text animation, letter by letter. Let's start with the first letter, the letter W. In Scratch, we'll add each letter of the word welcome as its own sprite. So go ahead and create 6 sprites, W, E, L, C, O, M, and E again. Now let's start coding for the W sprite. Grab when green flag clicked. This block is our go button. It starts the animation when we click the green flag. Add go to X 240y0. This places the W sprite just outside the right edge of the screen. Ready to scroll in. Now add repeat until X position less than -152. This loop will keep running until the letter moves past the center of the screen. Inside the loop, add change X by -5. This is the magic movement. It moves the W sprite 5 steps to the left every time. Finally, add wait 0.05 seconds. This adds a tiny pause to make the motion smoother, not too fast, not too slow. And just like that, the letter W glides smoothly across the screen. Now let's move on to the second letter, E. This is where it gets fun. We don't want all the letters to appear at once, right? So we'll delay the E a bit. Start with when green flag clicked. Again, our start signal, add hide. This makes sure E is hidden at the beginning. Then add wait 3 seconds. This gives enough time for the W to finish moving before E shows up. Add show. Now the letter E appears. Ready to slide in? Add go to X 240y0. Just like before, it starts off screen to the right. Add repeat until X position less than -73. Each letter will have a different stop point based on its final position on screen. Inside the loop, add change X by -5 and wait 0.05 seconds. Same smooth scrolling movement as before? Perfect! Now repeat this process for each of the remaining letters, L, C, O, M, and E. Just change the wait time and the X position in the repeat until block to match the order. Oh no! Let's fix it. Change the waiting time so that one letter will wait for others. Alright, now that we've got our super cool welcome text sliding in, ever seen those buttons in games that shrink and bounce when you tap them? Yup, we're doing that in Scratch today. Hack number 2, animated start button. Start by creating a new sprite. This will be your start button. You can use the text tool to write start or upload a custom image if you want a fancier design. Now, let's bring it to life with code. Drag when this sprite clicked. This block listens for a mouse click on the button. As soon as the user clicks it, the animation kicks in. Next, add start sound pop. This gives some audio feedback to make the click feel more real. If you don't have a pop sound, just choose one from the Scratch sound library. Add change size by -10. This makes the button shrink quickly. It's the press down animation effect. Follow it with wait 0.1 seconds. This short pause lets the button shrink fully before popping back. Now add change size by 10. This resets the size, making the button bounce back to normal. Boom! A click effect that feels interactive and polished. Want to make it extra snappy? Try tweaking the size values. If you change -10 to -20, the button shrinks more dramatically. A smaller wait time makes it pop faster. Just experiment to match your game's vibe. You can now link this button to the next scene or character animation using a broadcast message. For example, at the end of your last letter in the welcome animation, you could add broadcast welcome. Then in this button script, add the code when I receive welcome show. And this also when green flag clicked hide. This way, the start button only appears after the welcome text finishes. Super clean and professional. And that's our second hack, an animated start button with sound and bounce. It's perfect for game menus and makes your project feel way more interactive. Awesome! Let's dive into hack number 3, glitching character effect. First, select your character sprite. Now we're going to make it glitch like it's breaking the matrix. Here's the full breakdown. Grab when green flag clicked. This kicks off the glitching animation when the game starts. You can later connect it to a broadcast, but for now, green flag does the trick. Next, grab a forever loop, because we want the glitch to keep happening until we say otherwise. Loops are your best friend for repeating effects. Inside that, grab a repeat 5. This adds micro glitches, 5 quick flashes that feel chaotic and glitchy. Change ghost effect by 20. This makes the sprite look transparent and flickery. Ghost effect ranges from 0, solid, to 100, completely invisible, and every +20 makes the sprite more see-through. Change X by pick random -5 to 5. This shakes the sprite left or right randomly, like it's vibrating out of control. Change Y by pick random -5 to 5. Same thing, but now it jumps up and down unpredictably. The chaos is real. Wait 0.05 seconds. A super short pause to let the user see the glitch before the next flicker. If you make this too long, it feels slow. Too short, you might miss the effect. Set ghost effect to 0. This brings your character back to normal after all the wildness. What happens if you change the values? Want a bigger shake? Change the random range from -5 to 5 to -10 to 10. The character will go even crazier. Want more glitch flickers? Increase the repeat from 5 to 10. Pro tip: you can connect this glitch to your start button using a broadcast. So after the player clicks Start, your character glitches in like a game is about to start. Add this to the start button. When this sprite clicked, broadcast glitch character V. Then on your character sprite, when I receive glitch character V, boom, now your character glitches into the scene like a total boss. Now we can hide the spaceship at the beginning, and it will only come after the start button clicked. And after the start button clicked, we can hide start button as well as the welcome letters. So that's it, Super Coder. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and happy coding!